3, 2, 1. Well, standing down here in Victory Lane with tonight's Dwarf Car Mod Light feature winner, Ed Ziem. Ed, I tell you what, veteran of this division, you kind of just waited for Mike Kennedy to open that door. The door opened coming for the checkers. Did you know he was going to do it? Did you think you had it?
Oh, yeah. But I had to open the door. I was ready, and it's one of those things. I've been around here a few times. When we got that last caution with 3 to go, I knew it was time to make a plan, and I just kind of did what I had to do. I knew where I had to be at the end, and sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Mike is a great friend, and it's almost hard to beat somebody like that, but a good race. Had good races all night. Had a great race in the feature or the heat with Mike Morrell, another older fellow like myself. Not quite this old, but older. And I don't know, it's been a kind of a slow start for me, but now we're coming around.
Well, I tell you, we've seen you out here in the mod lights. We've seen you out here years ago in the modified. I mean, with running the two divisions in the laps you've had on this thing, you kind of know when to size a guy up, don't you? Yeah,
you have a feel for it, and I think that's come down to this is my 20th year of racing here. So if I haven't learned anything, I shouldn't be here. But I'm kind of starting to help my son wherever he wandered off to. He was out here a few weeks ago. He's doing good. So it's just good all the way around. I have no complaints.
Well, Ed, I tell you what, good to see you here in Victory Lane. I know we're early in the season. We expect to see you down here a lot more.
Well, I think so. I don't mean to sound like I can be here, but we're always competitive, and that's just the way it is. I come to play.
I tell you what, that's what it takes, and that what it was. Once again, congratulations.
Thanks for
Mod Light, you bet. Mod Light feature winner here tonight at the Boone Speedway.